welcome back to my channel. We are in the second month of the new year, and I'm not gonna lie, at the beginning of the month I felt like I really slacked off. Coming into this new year, I have goals and I have dreams, just like we all do. And I really wanted to hit the ground running to achieve these goals and these dreams, but life happened and I got sick, and yeah, it just really took a toll on me. And I felt like at that time I really just needed to rest my body and heal instead of doing everything and trying to achieve everything that I wanted to achieve. I feel like with a new year, there's a huge amount of pressure to really have everything just laid out and do everything you can to achieve those goals. For this year, my goals were to really work on my YouTube channel, work on my editing, my filming, uploading every single week. I really wanted to get back in touch with my art, get my art out there and share it with y'all, and keep sharing what I love to share. With all of those goals, I put a lot of pressure on myself, making sure that I was doing everything I could to achieve them. So in this video, it's just me putting my feet forth in what I'm wanting to achieve, but at a pace where I can still enjoy it. So today, I really want us to just take the time and start enjoying the little things.
We live in a world that never stops. It never slows down. So it's really important to enjoy the little things in life. Some of us judge our lives by what we have, and most of the time we just need to judge our lives by the moments we spent with our loved ones and making those precious memories. We can't allow the things that we don't have to cloud our vision from the things that we do have. We are so blessed with such a beautiful life. We choose to see what we want to see out of life, and we choose how we spend our moments with the life that we're given. Yesterday was such a beautiful day, and it really just inspired me to do some things that I've been needing to do. I've been needing to paint these boxes, which I use as nightstands. They got really scratched up in the move, so that's what we're gonna do now. I've been painting a lot recently, being that's one of my New Year's goals, is to really practice my painting and get my artwork out there and just share my new passion with y'all. But it felt really good to just paint something with no hard expectations or judgment, because I find that's one of my downfalls, is when I paint, I really judge myself quite hard, and I need to learn not to do that so much. With the seasons changing, Athena also felt inspired to finally finish her birdhouse, and she had so much fun doing it. It was absolutely so cute. She was so excited, so she hurried up and dried her birdhouse so she could get it out and the birds could eat. And shortly after, we had a new friend, and she named him Red Pepper. like that song. That's what you do? Yeah. On Friday, we ended up going to my grandparents' house because they really missed the kids and I. And plus, we just needed to get out of the house. We were in it for so long from being sick that it was nice to just get out. It was raining this day, but I thought it was really nice, so I just took a moment to enjoy the sound of the rain and take some deep breaths. I got a new camera, so I also decided I wanted to play around with it and just capture the natural beauty that was all around. Later on that day, the kids and I decided to make cookies. They were these Reese Pieces cookies. I'll show you right here. They actually turned out really good, and we ended the night off with rib sandwiches. Ever heard what rib sandwiches are? Well, you're about to find out. Rib sandwiches!
Yeah. You wanted to get Bubba. Bubba!
Bubba!
Come get some of these.
Come get some rib sandwiches.
Yeah, whatever it's called. Come
get some rib sandwiches.
So I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. I find myself really enjoying just the little things in life, and I hope that this showed you that you can too. We all have goals this year and we all have dreams, and yes, we have to put in the work to achieve them, but it's okay to do it at a pace where you're still able to enjoy it instead of looking at it as it's just something you have got to do. This is all I have for you today. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in the videos that I post, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. But I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.